In the kitchen we begin our tale, spices dancing in a gentle gale, laughter rising with the scent of time, each hand stirring in rhythm sublime. I don't understand just how it feels, but in this moment it all reveals. Oh, cooking with love as we gather round a family circle where joy is found. Flavors collide in harmony, creating memories. Rolling dough and stories unfold, traditions new and those of old. Recipes passed down through time, feelings served with every chime. I don't understand just how it binds, but every taste the old world reminds. Oh, cooking with love as we gather around a family circle where joy is found. Flavors collide in harmony, creating memories. Every dish a testament we see, our unity like a symphony. In the warmth of this shared melody, a legacy unfolds eternally. Cooking with love as we gather around a family circle where joy is found. Flavors collide